Hello ladies and gentlemen, Santa's Workshop here. I am a few miles away from my shop right now. We are, as you can tell, in a barn. And in this barn I have found a diamond in the rough. It is something I'm going to be bringing back to life on the channel, starting from the very beginning. We're not a few miles away. I'm not, actually like 50 yards from my shop. This truck, my dad bought a week before he passed away in 2000. I have worked on it off and on for several years and just have never gotten very far, being on a limited income. But I am going to bring it back to life on this channel. You can watch me do it. Just a moment and I'll give you a walk around and show it to you. All right, here it is. This is a 53 5-window cab Chevy pickup, as if I didn't have to tell y'all that. This thing does run, or it did when we parked it in here the last time we drove it about 5 years ago. It is in fairly good shape. Interior, as I said, we've been working on it. It's tore apart. We actually have a couple of original radios, need a lot of work. The seat in it is actually in really good shape. Too bad I'm not going to use it. What we're going to do on this video, we're going to get it out of the barn. We are going to go wash this thing and see if we can't get it started again. I want to hear this old motor run one last time before I pull it out. I've got something special to go in, and I want y'all along for the journey. Let's let the battery charge for a moment. Notice somebody has taken the regulator off of the engine. So I'm going to hot wire this thing directly to the battery, the coil that is. See if we can't get a little action then. Because I mean, it's trying, but there's just something not quite kicking. Oh, I love this old truck. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. And as much as I want this motor to stay in it, I've got something even better. I have a 5.7 throttle body Chevrolet with a 700 R4. Mustang rear end. I want this to be a cruising truck. I want to be able to jump in it, fire that key, and take off. I don't want to have to mess with points. I just want something dependable and roadworthy. Santa's got to have a good ride. Well, there you have it. You heard it run. This engine is for sale, along with the transmission, rear end, radiator. Oh, I've got to show you this. I noticed this when I pulled it in. Have you ever seen antifreeze that green in a vehicle this old? And yes, it has been driven and up to temperature since that has been touched. Next video, I'm going to start ripping all the old wiring out, draining the radiator, getting the cab ready to come off, pulling the seat. Oh, by the way, I'm going to sell the seat too. I'm going to put buckets in it. And that's a Mr. Gasket shifter, not a hearse, sorry. I've got my steering column for it. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it or the one that's in my donor pickup. Rear end. Main reason I'm changing it out is all the bearings and everything are shot in it. But I think it's been sitting a little while. This thing does have Fenton split headers. I've got a disc brake front end for it. Still debating whether I want to go this route or if I want to go with the Mustang 2 front end and 4-link suspension. That would be preferable, but my budget, just don't think I'm going to make that happen right now. But I would like to do it since I'm going to have it stripped down. But there you go. That's my jewel. Hope y'all join the journey with me. Let's see this thing completely finished and take a ride in it with me. Well, thank y'all for joining me on this video. Like, subscribe, hit that notification button, share, please share. I'm getting people subscribing right and left, but I need the view hours so I can become monetized, so I can actually do some more things. So please, like and subscribe, share. We'll see you next time.